much?
I really don't. Cindy Ambraha Merero Costailungo. But their styles, of course, I do best in Galangan and the Yaye. Because when it comes to Zuku, the reggae, Sharumba, Unless in Wakashetama Bakanga style, it's kind of style of a South African almost. So I would say I really move around all genres. That's what I can say. I don't have a specific style. All I can say is I'm an inspirational artist.
Yeah.
A style inspiration Yamahamberamu, Yamayamazuru Marumba.
Nehokagala. Yamasereri Wikaleno. So to go to the multi-purpose, how is you carry your name?
Yeah, I'm just an artist. I'm a creative.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like Mungana taking some time. Namaha Eshanyimbushao